Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at XLK, Apple, Facebook, daily, weekly time frame. So XLK bounce continues. We are looking for a lower high. We don't have it yet. Looking for tomorrow to be the day, potentially. We need a bearish reversal candlestick to be confident. I would like to see a loss of the hourly 20-period moving average to be confident. And that's that. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. We are rejecting from the 50-day moving average resistance at this point. If we get over that level, clearly the next level will be 55.82 to be watching. And then there's a little gap at 55.94. So those are the levels to be watching. Bulls still maintaining control. They dipped today. The bulls bought the dip. And seeing a correlation with the overall market, of course, and watching a tightening range in SPY, and watching if we do get a break in SPY, we'll be looking for the same direction to follow here on the tech sector. But as of right now, still looking for that lower high, just being very patient for it. We're not going to fight this bounce because it is a pretty solid bounce over the past 3 days. And again, the signal number one is a loss of the hourly 20 period, and then that will lead to a bearish reversal candlestick forming on the daily time frame. The weekly time frame for XLK, I should say, is still strong, confirming the bullish reversal doji from last week off of the middle Bollinger Band support. With 3 trading days left to go, if we do set our lower high and begin to fade, we do need to be cautious because of the lack of follow-through. We pretty much need to close here or better on this weekly candlestick to be confirming that bullish reversal doji and to be looking for follow-through next week. If we see fading on the daily time frame like we are anticipating, this weekly candlestick will not look nearly as strong, and we could potentially reject from these exponential resistances on this back test and see an upper wick form. So it all depends. We have 3 trading days left to go. A lot can change on this weekly candlestick in that amount of time. Apple on the daily time frame, inside bar to be watching tomorrow. Resistance is 145.85. We didn't break the high of yesterday, just barely, but we got our bull MACD cross. Same thing as the tech sector. We're scouting this lower high. We're waiting for a bearish reversal candlestick, but we're not going to fight this trend until we see signs of the bears taking over and signs of the bulls being done with the bounce. So resistance after 145.95 is 146.16, and then that lower high of 148.28. Weekly time frame for Apple is rejecting on the back tests from exponential and middle Bollinger Band resistances on the weekly time frame. So that is keeping the bears in control. You can see the last 5 weeks, we pretty much are just trading sideways with the moving averages descending, leveling out, and keeping the price contained. Facebook on the daily time frame, it is acting like the lead tech bull that it is, and that's because it's strong. So we're going to be looking for all-time highs, and we're on the verge of those all-time highs, and we're closing extremely strong, and you will be hard-pressed to find a tech sector name that is stronger than Facebook is right now. And it's been clear the entire pullback. If you've been watching these videos, you've heard me call Facebook the lead tech bull now for weeks and weeks at this point. So again, whenever I'm looking at a sector, if I'm looking at a bearish break in the sector ETF, I'm looking to play the weakest name to the downside. If I'm looking at a bullish move in the sector, I'm looking to play the strongest name to the upside. So Amazon and Facebook are the 2 strongest tech names right now, and Facebook blew Amazon out of the water today to really take the lead there. And we're looking at the all-time high of 156.50, and we're right there. The upper Bollinger Band on the daily is resistance, and we have struggled at that level over the past couple of months. So keeping an eye on that upper Bollinger Band, but 156.50 is the level for the bulls to break. And the weekly time frame here, bulls buying the dip the past couple of dips with lower wicks, holding exponential support, and now seeing that follow through to the backside. So it's all, or back to the upside, I should say. So it's all about 156.50 tomorrow. Let's see if we can tag that new all-time high and keep those bulls in full control. That's a good looking chart. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow and see if we get that new all-time high. Have a great night.